Man, y'all already know what it is. It's your boy, the Tahoe guy. And we got another video for y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is a sponsored video. You know what I'm saying? Company inboxed me on my Instagram, say they were looking through my YouTube and asked me did I want to review one of their products. And I told them, sure, why not? So here we is, got this video, got this product. And we gonna review them and showing y'all how I put them in my truck. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay with your boy till the end of this video. Let's go.
M3 Productions.
Come around that corner and show you something. It's up. Fuck a game, nigga. One man army. From the streets to the motherfucking press. You got it on your mind, we can get it up.
So as y'all can see behind me, and from the title and intro of my video, we gonna be switching out my tail lights for some tail lights I got sponsored with. So stay with your boy, hit the subscribe button if you already did. Let's get it. I got my package late Friday evening. You know, took incredibly fast shipping. You know what I'm saying? So no problem with that. And it comes from company Taillight LLC, a company in Dallas, Texas. So show y'all what they sent in the package. You got two tail lights, housing. They see like the little bracket screws for to go on the thing, so you can screw in the tail light housing. And they also send you customer support paper. So what I'm gonna be doing here is taking out my old tail lights, my LED tail lights, and putting in the new tail lights. What you want to do is take it out the plastic. Once you take it out the plastic, you're gonna come over and get your little screw mount bracket. You're gonna take them. This side is gonna go towards the inside of the tail light. So when you put the screw in, it can screw on the back of it. It's kind of cold out here, so bear with me. What you want to do now, come over, get you a drill or a screwdriver, whichever one you prefer, and you're going to take your two screws out of the tail light. Now currently I don't have any tail light bulbs, so I'm just going to show you guys where you will put all the plugs at in the tail light and install it on the truck. And it also, you can kind of tell where it goes. So this is gonna be your reverse bulb right here. This is gonna be your brake, and this one gonna be your signal bulb right here. So you're gonna take your longest wire, which is gonna be your signal bulb harness. You're gonna peel off the sticker that's covering up the hole. And you're gonna stick the plug harness in there. It's made a little different. Okay. Next, you're gonna take your brake light bulb from out the old one, which is gonna be your second to longest wire. You're gonna take that, put it in the next hole. Twist it. Okay. Then next, what you're gonna do after that, is get your reverse bulb, which I have an LED bulb in here. So I'm gonna just take that. Take the paper off it. And stick the reverse bulb in its harness. It's kind of awkward. Let's see. Okay, so I had it wrong. What you're gonna do is, this is gonna be your signal bulb right here. Okay. This is going to be your reverse at the bottom. And they all click in place. Okay. But it could be different on some trucks. That's just the way my harness setup is. Now we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Take the screws out. Okay. What I'm going to go ahead and take out all of them. Disconnect all the wires from my LED tail lights. make sure it snaps in place. And this is your signal bulb. You're just going to go at the top, and you're going to make sure it snaps in place. And lastly, second but not last, you're going to take your screw clips and you're going to stick them in there. Once you stick your screw clips in there, you come over, stick your tail lamp in the holes, put them on. Make sure you got a nice and tight fit. Get your screws. Screw them in. That's that side, the driver's side. Now you're going to go to the passenger side, back to the passenger side. Put your light in. Make sure you got a nice and tight fit. Put your screw in. There you have it. You have your tail lights in together. Just take the plastic off of it. Set the tailgate so y'all can see how they look. These are the taillights from Yida LLC, a company in Dallas, Texas. Now I will tell you guys that I'm going to modify the wire harnesses so the reverse bulb can actually work up here instead of down there, because it's really not going to make a sense for the reverse bulb to be down here in the red section when it should be in the clear section up there. So in another video, I'm going to show y'all how to modify your harness to work with the clear part of the brake light assembly. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me, and I appreciate y'all for always supporting me, watching my videos.
Wow.
15. Come around that corner and show you something.